Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have 5 properties to show you guys, all under 22 million Jamaican dollars. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first property I want to show you guys is this apartment listed for 20 million Jamaican dollars, and that is equivalent of about 129,946 US dollars. Now this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on Straithairn Avenue, which is close by to the new Kingston and Halfway Tree area. So this apartment is located in a gated complex, you guys. It is being sold fully furnished with the exception of the refrigerator and the microwave. Okay, this is also a 3rd floor unit, and the complex does boast 24-hour security. The total square footage of the unit is 325 square feet. Okay, you guys, so that's this first one here. I think coming in at the price of 20 million, and the fact that I don't think a lot of refurbishing has to be done in this apartment, I do think it's a good price. I do think this one will go quickly. This one you can also look into for an investment. You know, this one can be used to be rented. This one maybe even Airbnb. It doesn't look too bad for Airbnb. It just depends. Okay, it just depends. But I think this one would be more suited for like your first apartment, first property, or for an investment if you want to rent it, like long-term rental. I don't think that this one is bad at all. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, you know, I always put the information in the description box down below, so you can hop on that and reach out to the realtor. So check the description box down below. Let's take a look at this next property. This one is listed for 22 million Jamaican dollars, which is the equivalent of about 142,941 US dollars. This one also is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It's located on Old Hope Road in the Beverly Hills area, just at the foot of the hill. Okay, you guys, so you know, on Old Hope Road, my bad, in the Beverly Hills area, right at the foot of the hill. I'm visualizing where this apartment complex is, because I believe, yeah, I've passed it a couple times. Yes, I have. So this one is a gated complex, and this one is 430 square feet. Okay, this complex does have a pool, and they stated that this one has been newly renovated, so that's good for you. You don't have much work to do when you move in, you know, and not much upgrades to be done to, you know, probably bring it to your liking. All right, so I do think this location is good. It's pretty close to lots of schools. If you know the Old Hope Road area, lots of schools, lots of restaurants, lots of businesses, really central location. You have Campion College, which will be right near here, St. Peter's and Paul, prep school. You do have Sovereign really close by to where this location is. If this is the complex that I'm thinking about, based on the image, I do think that's where this is. I do think the location is good. The only thing that what I'm trying to remember is the condition of the complex. Yeah, I'm trying to remember the state of the complex, or you know, how run down it may be, because some of these older complexes in Kingston, they do get a bit run down. Yes, we have to speak the truth. But I do think that the unit itself seems to be well maintained. They stated that this unit is already listed on Airbnb, so if you're interested in that type of investment, here's one ready to go, even already listed on Airbnb, and I guess bringing in some revenue so far. So again, if you're interested in this one, you guys, I will put all the information to the realtor, the link to the realtor, in the description box down below. So once you click that link, you will see all his information come up. I believe the realtor is called Rain or Reen. All right, so once you click the link in the description box down below, you will see all the info on this one. Okay, so again, 22 million Jamaican dollars, Old Hope Road, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 430 square feet, gated complex with pool, already listed on Airbnb. Link in the description. You know, I really hope you guys did not hear the thunder in the background a while ago. Tell me in the comments if you hear the thunder or not. Okay, but that's the reality of filming for YouTube, and I'm very much dedicated to get these videos out for you guys. So let's jump on over to the next property. So this one is listed for 22 million Jamaican dollars. This one is a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment. It's located on Morton Park Terrace, which is off Molynes Road, you guys. And this one is located in a small gated complex. The complex only has 6 units total, all of them of which are for sale. This one that we're showing you here is the 2-bedroom 1-bathroom, and this is a 1,000 square foot unit. Okay, you guys, so that's the info on this one here. I do think that for 22 million, getting a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom, that is a good price. Only thing with this one, you know, you just have to check out the location. So if it's a good location for you guys, then I definitely say reach out to the realtor, go ahead and do the viewing for this one and jump on it if you're interested. I don't really see this one lasting long. Like none of these that I'm showing in today's video, I don't really see them staying on the market for too long. The price, okay, and I do think the location is decent enough for all the ones that I'm showing you here today. I'm really showing you like good locations. Okay, so if you're interested in this one, and if you're good with the location and the area, all of that, then you know you're going to hit the link in the description box down below to reach out to the realtor to go ahead and view this one. Okay, so this one again is 22 million Jamaican dollars, which would be about 142,941 US dollars. 2-bedroom 1-bathroom 1,000 square foot unit. Okay, let's take a look at property number 4. This one again is 22 million Jamaican dollars. This one is a 1-bedroom 1-bathroom. This one is located on Mannings Hill Road. The complex is called Mannings Manor, and if you know Mannings Hill Road, it's close by to Kingston Spring Road. It's close by to the Red Hills Road area. As you know, Red Hills Road and Red Hills it's almost 2 different things, but yeah, Mannings Hill Road is just like off Kingston Spring Road. Good area, really central area, close to lots of banks, schools, restaurants, businesses, you name it. Like everything is very central to Mannings Hill Road. Very great location. Okay, now this one is being sold furnished, you guys. It is being sold furnished. Okay, so 22 million dollars, 1-bedroom 1-bathroom being sold furnished. Okay, the only thing I have about this one, you guys, I think the way the layout of this apartment is very odd. Like this living space here, it may be the way that these persons have laid out their furniture. So maybe you'd move the couch down to the other side and put like a dining room area, just to like close off that kitchen area, just to make it feel like a kitchen area. Okay, so I do think maybe you'd have to go in and maybe do some reworking with the layout, or how you maybe even lay out your furniture is going to be different from how it's laid out here. I think that's what's really like throwing off the appeal to this apartment. I do think going in and getting the tiles redone would be great. The bathroom needs some work, definitely, because those tiles have to go, that mirror, that vanity, the lighting. But I do think this one, if you put in the work in this one, it will be really, really good. Okay, so again, this one is 1-bedroom 1-bathroom, 22 million Jamaican dollars. Not bad. I just think the layout of the kitchen, or maybe it's a cabinet, I don't know, something is very weird here. Feels like it's a bit too open. But as I said, maybe if they move the couch down to the other end and put like a dining table up by this end, then the kitchen would more feel like kitchen dining, and then the living would more feel like living and little office. You guys get what I'm saying? Tell me in the comments down below if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, so maybe you could even get like a contractor to come in and look at what they can do to, you know, rework that kitchen area. I do think the bedroom is a spacious size. I do think the bedroom is quite decent in size. I do. I'm a little impressed. But again, the tiling, that's so hideous. The tiling would definitely have to go in the bedroom floors, the bathroom walls. The bathroom will definitely need some work. Like all of that would probably, yeah, all of that is like a renovation. That would be a renovation project for me, most definitely. And here you can see you do have a little wash area right there. Again, link in the description box down below, so you can reach out to the realtor to do a viewing on that one. Okay, we made it to the last property of today's video, and this one is listed for 20 million Jamaican dollars. This one is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it's located at Thompson Close in the Red Hills area, and this one is located in the hills of Stirling Castle. So you know that's a bit further up the hill on the Red Hills, further up the hill. All right, so you guys know the only real true drawback with Red Hills, I think they have great properties up by Red Hills, amazing properties. They always seem to have, you know, the space. But the only drawback to Red Hills, you guys know, would be the location, and sometimes the distance it would take like to go up to these apartments and these houses that you can find in Red Hills. So you know, they're just a little bit out of the way. But if you're okay with making that drive, then go right ahead. Okay, you guys. So this one I believe is on the 2nd floor. All right, again, if you're interested in this one, the link will be in the description box down below. But as I said, you guys, you know, the Red Hills apartments, they always seem to be quite spacious. It's like they're everything you want, and then you think of the distance and the drive, and sometimes even the traffic to get up there, and it just kind of just like kills the vibe. This one would definitely need some work, definitely needs some renovation. This is a nice little balcony area here, really nice. And Red Hills is so cool. Oh my gosh, that's another beautiful thing about Red Hills. So cool. I think it's quite family friendly area, just nice, peaceful, very tranquil. It's just the drive to get up there. So if you're okay with just being a little bit outside of like the major city area, the major central areas, and you're okay with taking a drive up by Stirling Castle, or if you already live in the Red Hills area and you love it up there, then this one would be a really great one. I think it's fairly priced at 20 million for the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. You do have quite a lot of closet space, and you don't have too much work to do. The bathroom, yeah, the bathroom is going to need like the most work here, the most work. But apart from that, this one's not too shabby. So tell me what you guys think of this apartment in the description box down below, and tell me what you think about the Red Hills area in general. I really like up there, you know, I really do, but I just can't take the drive up. So yeah, that's the last one I have to show you guys. So I showed you 5 properties, all under 22 million or 22 million and under. So I will leave everything in the description box down below for you guys. So go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and until my next video, bye guys.